Many would argue that right now we're in a dating black hole. So Build-A-Mate decided it was time to plug it up by putting the power within the user and by letting them build their ideal person by dragging facial features on a model and reading that model and compare it against their database of faces. Let's see how the developers of Build-A-Mate solve this problem.
Hi, I'm Gary, and I'm joined by YC, Tim, and Ann, and we are Build-A-Mate. We are an online dating application that is here not to only revolutionize online dating, but also make it fun. Currently, online dating is at the age of the swipe. Let's talk through an average user experience with almost any dating app on the market. You open your application, potential dates are shown, and now you must decide if each and every profile fits your standards. We have to ask ourselves, why are these specific people being shown? The only qualifications seem to be that they are in your area or that they are in your desired age range. I'm pretty sure the reason why people get married doesn't have to do with that they both live in Queens or they're born in the 90s. The system of finding love is ineffective, inefficient, and disregards the personal preferences of any user. At Build-A-Mate, we fix this problem. Using machine learning and our interactive drag and drop interface, we are able to find someone their ideal type because they're able to build their ideal type. Welcome to the future of online dating. YC, please show the audience how our website works.
Thank you, Gary. I'll be walking you through our site as new user, Lily Chen. Upon loading our site, Lily will arrive at our home screen where she can get a glimpse of our current users. And when she clicks on the sign up button, she will be redirected to our sign up page. Here, Lily will fill out her information such as name, birthday, gender preference, and also description about herself. Once completed, Lily will take a selfie. This photo will not be seen by other users. It's purely for our machine learning algorithm to use, so other people can match with Lily later on. Now the fun starts. Using drag and drop, Lily can create her ideal type of partner, and once she completed, she will be matched with all current users that match the face she just built. Each potential date will show their information and also the percentage of similarity with the face that she built. If she's not satisfied with the result, she can always go back and rebuild the face. Building a face is not only intuitive and also fun, and it'll keep our user coming back for more. Now let's have Tim to talk about the technology behind Build-A-Mate.
Thanks, YC. So for our app, we use the nerd stack, with Postgres to store our relational data and Imgur to store our user profile photos. We then use several libraries, including React Webcam for the user headshot photo and React Drag and Drop for drag and drop functionality when creating a face. HTML to canvas was then used to capture the canvas on which the face was created. Now, for our matching algorithm, we implemented several methods from the Face-api.js library. Essentially, when the user signs up, their headshot photo is taken, and the face descriptors, which is a 128D vector describing the face, is calculated from the photo and stored in our database. Then, when the user creates a face, the face descriptors for that is calculated and stored as well. We then map through and calculate the Euclidean distance between the vector from the user-created face and the vector from each prospective match's headshot photo. Sort by the lowest distance to get our top matches. Now, I would like to introduce Ann, who will talk about the challenges and decisions that we made as a team.
Thanks, Tim. I will be discussing one of the major obstacles we ran into while working on Build-A-Mate and how we solved it. To find people's best matches, we imported 3 methods from the Face-api library. First, we load the machine learning weighting models, then we compute face descriptors, and then we calculate the difference between 2 face descriptors. At first, we performed these methods all at the same time, and we're experiencing very long loading time when a user logged in or refreshes the matches page. This problem was persistent and created a very poor user experience. To solve this problem, we decided to restructure part of our code by implementing the 2 most time-consuming Face-api methods before rendering the matches page when a user signs up. By doing this, the loading time when rendering the matches page went from 3 to 4 seconds down to a few milliseconds. Building the project was very difficult, but I'm proud of myself, my team, and the product we were able to make. This is Build-A-Mate for those who have a type.
Simply amazing. They were able to learn and build out so much with many different technologies, including understanding the machine learning behind the matches over such a short period of time. The really impressive part is how they're able to compare the model that was created by a user and match it with a bunch of faces in their database. They're definitely going for a paradigm shift in dating. Thanks for your demo, Build a Mate, and for those of you watching, check them out and/or build a mate.